Good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Tim Kidwell Outdoors. Mustache is gone, but the two people that I am fishing with today still have theirs. You guys know who they are. We got Densmore Outdoors.
Hey, Densmore.
And we got Bubba Outdoors today. We're gonna be going after Suwannee bass. Hoping we do it. We did it last year around the same exact time. It's chilly. All right, guys. See you on the water. Holy crap! We have a special guest today, professional bass fisherman, Seth Fighter. Seth, don't sue us. We know it's not you. Nah, this is Bubba right here, dressing up as Seth today. Hopefully it's good luck for us, though.
Yep, it's well, I don't know how much Seth knows about Suwannee bass fishing, but we're gonna try to channel his inner fighter here.
Absolutely. All right, guys, let's get some fish.
Cold as can be from the boat ride, but we all throwing top water. These two got whopper ploppers on, and I'm going to try the Chapo. We'll see who can get more Suwannees off of it.
So we got an original, a Chapo, and a Chinese.
See how much louder that is?
Oh yeah, the Chapo. Fuck yeah.
110 right there. Yeah, but it's a 90 size. Right, that's what I mean. That much louder. Timmy got the first one. There's nothing on that bank. Is it a largemouth? Yeah.
Largemouth.
You got a largemouth. Good job though, Timmy. You got first blood. Now see, that don't count.
This doesn't count.
This is his first whopper plopper bass.
This is my very first whopper plopper bass.
And the Suwannee River bass. Just not a Suwannee bass. Well, that's good. They are hitting top water. Yeah.
First fish, 4 minutes in. Yeah.
Timmy's gonna smoke it. He's only one game 8-pound tough line.
Yeah, they won't be able to see.
What you two? Kill them all. I need to go buy a couple. GoPro, start recording.
Looks like a
second whopper. That's into the largemouth.
Dang it, man.
I'm over here re-rigging. Timmy's got another whopper plopper. It's all over the boat. Is this what you're trying to do? Control your fish. Control your fish.
Well, the first it had hooks in it. Alright guys, second fish. We're just getting ready to leave. See you, buddy.
There goes one right there. There's a bunch of them. Look, Timmy, see them down there?
Uh-uh. Where at?
Right in front of us. Now it's a game of what color are they like? Timmy's on. God, Timmy's whooping our butt, dude. I know, dude.
Largemouth?
Can't see you. Yep. Yep. And he's only catching largemouth. Timmy is killing it. He is. Whatever he picks up.
What you gonna throw next?
Yeah, no lie. What would you keep throwing right now, Tim?
Ned rig.
You got any Guggen baits in there? Yeah.
Hell no. Alright, third largemouth of the day. Not what we're after, though.
That's big as Steve.
You got it.
It's only been one bass. Right now I'm in the lead to save the goodie bag. That's a tank.
Where's he out in the middle?
Yeah, he hit it right at the boat.
Wow. Good job, dude.
God, that's probably a PB Suwannee.
That is a fatty.
Take the trolling motor, Tim.
Yep, yep. It's out in the middle, huh? Tackle storage. Crankbaits. Or square bill.
All it takes is one fat tank. Wrong one, buddy.
This one ain't it?
Get out of there. They're sitting right on top. It says Suwannee bass. They got their own box. They got their own box. Not in there? Oh, I know where it's at. My bad. It's in here.
Oh. I was like, what are you talking about?
That's in my bag.
Oh, there it is.
Get the other one's green and stuff. Yeah, that one. That's the one I was kicking Bubba's butt on with.
Suwannee?
I don't know. No, it's a red breast.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, you've caught every single thing today.
Deja vu.
Did you get one too?
Oh, I lost it. Oh, you had one? Yep, I did. Then he's got a one. Don't horse him, don't horse him.
I think it's a largemouth.
It is a largemouth.
Oh my god. I can't do it today, guys.
He's like, I can't today.
Today's not the day.
Can't even. Is that your what?
Fourth
Fourth largemouth?
largemouth. Can't win today, guys. I'll definitely have a limit of largemouth though. Coming up. Now we're back up here in the rocks. I'm just gonna cast directly right here.
I was like, can you get any closer? I was trying to get out of the way of the, the dude that's doing 30 miles an hour down the river. Timmy's got one. It's a Suwannee.
Is it?
Yes. They're right over the top of him.
This is not a Suwannee. Oh my god, dude, I'm getting pissed. I got my limit of bass.
Bubba would gladly trade this place. Yeah, I would.
Here, just hold him. You caught this one then.
Nah, hold my stick. Yeah, that's a largemouth.
I know it's a largemouth, Joe. I don't want him. I don't want. There's my limit.
Dude, there's all kinds of rock in it and fish.
Oh my god, that's funny.
Is he right on the bank too?
Just right on that rock where a fucking Suwannee's supposed to be.
How fast is he cranking?
Just reeling it back.
Slow it down. See how fast he's cranking? Told you to slow it down. It's a 20. Don't lose him. It's a 20.
Got him.
Is it a largemouth?
I don't know. It looks like a spot, but it's...
It's a largemouth, I think.
Dang it, it is a largemouth though. Calm the hell down.
What? See that going? Slow it down. Slow it down.
Look how I hooked him, dude. But of course, it's still, again, the wrong species.
That is awesome.
Well, if this were a bass tournament, I'd be kicking your all's asses, but... Oh my god. Alright. Bass number 6.
Man, you put on... I'm just saying, Timmy. Your rod, your crankbait, I let you borrow, and it's a Suwannee.
Is it a Suwannee?
It's a Suwannee.
Oh my god, dude.
Big Suwannee. Of course, my stuff goes.
Wow.
Another fatty. Goes down.
Now I'm getting mad. What the hell are we doing wrong, Bubba?
Timmy, hang on, Timmy.
I'm trying. He's got a largemouth.
Still thinking, of course, my freaking GoPro taking crap.
I'm gonna turn us around.
I know, I gave you my crankbait, my rod, and I catch one on the crankbait I let you borrow with your pole. So, you're running out of excuses.
I don't think I have any more excuses at this point. I wish you had spot lock, Joe.
That's the problem. It's Joe's fault for not having spot lock. I'm sorry. Dang it, Joe. If we had spot lock,
I would have had so many by now.
get a 36-volt system, spot lock, and power pole. I swear, next fish I hook on here, Timmy, I'm handing it to you.
Thanks, Joe. It'll be a Suwannee, and then it'll turn itself into a largemouth as soon as I touch the rod. Man, we're deep. deep too.
Timmy, come get him.
Give me the rod.
Get him quick.
Give me the rod.
Here, take it.
Here, switch me. Is this a largemouth?
It is. I'm gonna laugh.
Look at him. It's a largemouth.
Is it? Reel it up. It is a largemouth. Oh, thanks for taking your largemouth fish off of there.
Here's your largemouth.
Can you throw him back for me? Thank you.
Jesus. This is ridiculous.
Got one that time.
Now they're on crankbaits now too? What the f***? I'm starting to get pissed right now.
That's what a Suwannee looks like.
Wait a second, what am I using? Why is this yours?
You're that frustrated?
Oh my gosh.
I missed one earlier. There you go, Tim. Guess what it is, though? Is that a largemouth? Yep.
Is it though?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you.
This is ridiculous.
I'm not kidding you at all. You happy you killing the largemouth?
I don't want to be killing largemouth. I won't get another chance like you guys.
It's like 7. I know, he's having a really good day fishing over here.
Is it? Yeah, it's a largemouth.
Well, I tried to go on weekdays.
Found a freaking seagull. Got one.
Please be a Suwannee. Hey, guess what it is? It's a largemouth.
You kidding me? Guys, do you not see this?
Put the largemouth pattern down. Catching fish.
You know what? Yeah. Now I'm just happy I can catch fish. It's fine. It's a good day. Oh.
Oh, nice. That's a Suwannee. Don't lose him, Timmy. Don't lose him. That's a good one. That's a good Suwannee, man.
Yay!
That's a good one.
Oh, God. Always blind in one eye. I couldn't see the bait I was using. That's why. Thanks, man.
You want to measure him?
Yeah, let's measure him. I don't think he's going to be 14, though.
Still good. Still a nice one.
Actually, this is my biggest one, though.
Yeah.
Oh, right there. Look. Lip is touching, and he is touching. Look.
Yeah, I'll take a picture for you.
All right, guys. My first
Big
PB
catch,
Suwannee.
Big catch, too.
Yep. Oh, no. I'm a wame. I just wanted to get him wet. That sounded horrible. Oh, thanks, Joe. 1 pound, 7 ounces.
Nice.
All right, my biggest fish.
That's like a 1.4 something. Biggest Suwannee.
I'm sorry?
Biggest Suwannee.
Oh, yeah.
Still got him?
Yeah.
Take it off.
Heck yeah. See you, buddy.
Told you to measure him.
Oh.
That's like a largie. Nice largie, though. Better ones. Edit that out.
I thought it was a hang up, that's why I did that, but it turns out it was a fish. I've been filming for 34 seconds. See you, buddy. Look at that. Bubba caught. What am I doing?
Good Suwannee, guys.
Good job, man. Beautiful Suwannee.
See what we got.
If he gets a 14,
All three of us got
all
one
three
on
would
one
have
day.
14. Dude, that's got to be it. Come on.
That is 14. Yep.
That's 14.
All day. All right, hang on. Let me take a picture for you. You can't cover your tail.
Guys, not only did we all catch a Suwannee bass, we all caught a 14-inch bass. It's been a pretty good day. All right. Total weight. Oh, he got us by 1.18. You got a fish too?
No.
There you go, man.
Sweet.
Is that your
Put
PB?
him on my scale.
I don't know. Where's your release at on?
Oh, you gotta open it up.
Watch out.
Open it.
Okay. You got a release button on it.
Good job, man.
Sweet.
1 pound 8 ounce. Is that
I
a?
got big catch Suwannee.
Yep.
Yay.
We all three knocked out big catch Suwannee in one day. How about that?
Alright guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely stay tuned for more content coming to you soon. This is Joe from Dinsmore Outdoors, Bubba from Bubba Outdoors, and we'll see y'all in the very next episode. Later.